Kapatid, dito tayo sa topic na about sa bato. Na tayo mga Muslim ay sumasamba raw sa bato. Landmark ito doon sa the house of God, house of Allah, Baitullah, ayaw nila. Dahil talagang sumasamba tayo sa bato. Dahil yung lugar na yan ay may bato, yung tinatawag na black stone. Ang Biblia din pala, ganun din pala ang mga Kristiyano. Sumasamba din kayo ng bato. Ito, okay? At ang bato ito ay aking itinayo na pinakaalaala ay magiging bahay ng Diyos. Ang bato kung saan siya na naginip, ginawa niyang unan, kinaumagahan ay pinatayo ito ni Jacob at ginawang bahay ng Diyos. Eh siyempre kung bahay ng Diyos, magdarasal ka doon. So magdarasal ka doon, nagdadasal kayo ng bato. Mayroon pa ang Biblia sa Isaiah chapter 19 verse 19. Sacred stone, American Bible, sacred stone or pillar to the Lord near its boundary. Good News Translation, ay nasabi, and the land of Egypt and the stone pillar dedicated to him, dedicated to God. Sinasabi naman dito, God's Word Translation, sinasabi ito, when the day comes, the altar of the Lord will be in the middle of Egypt, and the stone marker for the Lord. The sacred stone, the holy pillar, ay nandoon sa inyong Biblia. Mayroong sacred stone. Sa anong sacred? Ginadasal pa ninyo, nagsadasal pa kayo ng bato pala, sacred eh. At si Jacob mismo pinatayo yung bato at ginawang house of God, lost sheep of Israel. Sila daw ito. Sabi ng mga Seventh-day Adventists, sila daw yung lost sheep of Israel, born again. Bakit sinasabi? Kasi Matthew Kapitulo 10:5 sinasabi hanggang 6. Verse 12, Jesus sent out with the following instructions. Do not go among the Gentiles. Who are the Gentiles? You and me. We are the Gentiles. Okay. Or enter any town of the Samaritans. Who are they? Still non-Jewish. Okay. But go rather to the lost sheep of Israel. Ngayon, who are you? You ang Samaritans, representing the Samaritans. You are representing the Gentiles. And you are the lost sheep of Israel. Yung nawawala, yung naliligaw ng mga Israelis, yung mga tupa ay mga Israelis, referring to the Israelis, hindi referring to the Gentiles. You are not the lost sheep of the house of Israel. You are a liar. Kung inaangkin ninyo, yung Christian, kayo ang lost sheep of Israel. No, hindi ka Israelites. Mga Hudyo lamang referring to themselves ang lost sheep of Israel. The Israelites, lost sheep. Tayo, ang tawag ng mga Jewish sa atin, tayo, non-Jewish, tinatawag tayo ng pigs. Dogs and pigs tayo. We are not sheep. Hindi tayo tupa. The most racist and cruel understanding, walang iba kundi ang Hudyo at Christians. Bakit? They are shouting to the whole world na ang Diyos nila ay merciful, ang Diyos nila is justice, yet sa panahon ng discussion, sabi nila, God of Israel, are you a Jew? Hebrews ka ba? Israeli ka ba? Racist. Racist. That's why, ang mga Christian naman ay talagang yung mo naman, Israelis are chosen people. Chosen people. The only salvation go to Israelis because they are chosen people. And the salvation for the Christian for them only dahil si Jesu Kristo ay nagpakamatay sa kanila. This kind of teaching is injustice, inhuman. As if human being, only the Israelis and the Christians, the rest are pigs and dogs. That's what they believe in. The Hudyo, we are pigs. We are dogs. Non-Jewish people. That's why God of Israel, God of Israel, God of Israel, God of Israel. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.